Good morning, students. Today again, we'll discuss the topic adjectives from your grammar section. Students, in the first video, we were discussing its kinds and we were on the third kind, that is adjectives of number. As we know, it is further divided into three kinds. Let's come to a second subkind, that is indefinite numeral adjectives. Children, from indefinite word, it is clear that it won't show us the exact number of nouns or pronouns. So, these types of adjectives do not show the exact number of nouns or pronouns. For example, many, some, any, few, no, etc. Come to the example. I saw only few people present at the meeting. Few here is an indefinite numeral adjective because it is not providing us the exact number of people present at the meeting. Its third subkind is distributive numeral adjectives. Students, most of these adjectives are followed by a singular noun and a singular verb. These adjectives refer to each person or thing out of two or more persons or things separately. So, two things are very important here. फर्स्ट इज इट इज़ ऑलवेज फॉलोड, मतलब इसके बाद में आता है, एडजेक्टिव्स के बाद में. व्हाट? सिंगुलर नाउन एंड अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. सेकेंड, व्हेन विल लेट्स कम टू इट्स एग्जाम्पल पार्ट, इट विल बी मोर क्लियर टू यू दैट कि हम इसमें पूरे ग्रुप के बारे में भी बात करनी होती है और वो बात करते हुए हम हर एक पर्सन, हर एक, ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन एंड थिंग को इंडिविजुअली उतनी ही इम्पोर्टेंस देकर उनके ग्रुप में भी बात कर रहे होते हैं. लाइक, and in this type of adjectives these words are there: each, every, either, neither, etc. Every child needs care and love. Every child मतलब means कि हम सारे ही बच्चों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ग्रुप में भी हो रही है बात और लार्जर लेवल पे भी हो रही है और इंडिविजुअल भी उनको सेम इम्पोर्टेंस दी जा रही है, सेम उनके बारे में बात की जा रही है. Every child needs. So, child here is singular noun as it was written in there that it is followed. Every here is distributive numeral adjective. Child is singular noun and needs here is singular verb. Same is the case in next example. Neither of the methods is correct. Students, now आप कहेंगे कि मैम यहाँ तो पहले आपने बताया कि सिंगुलर नाउन एंड सिंगुलर वर्ब के द्वारा फॉलो किया जाता है. हेयर मेथड्स इज प्लूरल नाउन. स्टूडेंट्स, समटाइम्स देयर इज यूज ऑफ अ प्लूरल नाउन एंड अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. सो related to this example is this, that methods here is plural noun and verb is singular. Very important thing to be noted down, that is difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. That is why there is difference, why there is confusion, because same words we use in adjectives of quantity and same words are there in adjectives of number. So what's the difference? Let's read it. The difference between these two is that indefinite numeral adjectives like the some, few, many, etc. are used with countable nouns. Underline these two words, that indefinite numeral adjectives are used with countable nouns. whereas adjectives of quantity, same words are there, are used with uncountable nouns. Underline these two words, uncountable nouns. Let's read the examples. I drank some water. You know that some here is adjective, water here is noun, and water is uncountable. So here it is adjective of quantity. Some here is adjective of quantity. Here is also same word is there, like some. Some people were present in the meeting. People here is countable noun. So this is indefinite numeral adjective. Demonstrative adjectives is the fourth kind of adjectives. Students, words that are used to point out specific things or persons are called demonstrative adjectives. Underline these words, specific person और things. किसी स्पेशल चीज़ को हमने रेफर करना है, पर्टिकुलर को. And here we will get the answer of the question which. Underline this word also. This, that, these, those, later, former, such. These types of words will come under this type. For example, I hate such things. Second, can you see that building? So that जो है किसी को स्पेसिफिक बिल्डिंग को पॉइंट आउट किया जा रहा है कि आपको वो क्या आप देख सकते हैं, तो दैट इज स्पेसिफिक पर्टिकुलर वन. नोट स्टूडेंट्स, a question can be there, doubt can be there in your minds that pronouns में भी वही वर्ड यूज होते हैं एंड एडजेक्टिव में भी कुछ हैं कि सेम वर्ड्स वी आर यूजिंग in these two grammar topics. So what is the difference? Demonstrative adjectives are followed by nouns while demonstrative pronouns stand alone. अगर हम demonstrative adjectives की बात करें तो इनके बाद हमेशा are followed means इनके बाद हमेशा these are followed by nouns. और अगर हम demonstrative pronouns की बात करें तो these stand alone. Let's read the examples. That was a fantastic idea. Here that is pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. Why? Because it is not followed by a noun. Second example. That idea was fantastic. Here that is demonstrative adjective. Why? Because idea here is noun and this that is followed by a noun, that is idea. Fifth kind, interrogative adjectives. Students, here we will get the answer of ask questions. Questions जब हम पूछेंगे तो उनका वे क्या है, कैसे पूछे जाते हैं, कौन से वर्ड्स आते हैं, वो इस सब काइंड एडजेक्टिव्स की काइंड में आएंगे, इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव की काइंड में. Words that are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. For example, where, which, what, whose. यहाँ where सारे WH से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. WH फैमिली भी इनको बोला जाता है कि सारे वर्ड्स जो WH से बिगिन होते हैं क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए. एग्जाम्पल, whose lunch box is this? What assignment did you miss out? Here also same thing I'm going to discuss that I have discussed above, because same words are there in interrogative pronouns also and in interrogative adjectives also. Come to this example. Which is your pen? Here which word is interrogative pronoun. Why? Because It is not followed by a noun. Second, which pen is yours? Here which is interrogative adjective. Why? Because this which is followed by a noun, that is pen. Come to its sixth kind, that is possessive adjectives. So यहाँ हम ऑनरशिप की बात करेंगे. लाइक ये चीज़ मेरी है, उसकी है, उनकी है, इनकी है. These adjectives show something belong to somebody. For example, my, your, his, her, their, its, etc. My book is on the table. My book possession show कर रहा है कि मेरी book टेबल पर है. This is your pen. Here also same thing I am going to discuss, that difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. What is that? Possessive adjectives are used to show ownership and come before a noun. Same thing is there. Possessive pronouns also show ownership but do not come before a noun. It can be also used to replace noun. So where is the difference? That possessive adjectives are always followed by a noun. Let's read the examples. It will be clear to you by reading the examples. This book is yours. Here yours is possessive pronoun. Why? Because it is not followed by a noun. This pen is your book. Here your is followed by a noun, that is book. So it is possessive adjective. Your here is possessive adjective. Thank you.